Hello viewers, in this lecture we are going to discuss one of the most important concept, that is redox reactions. Okay, in the previous lecture we have discussed what is oxidation, what is reduction. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss redox reactions. Now, what is a redox reaction? Before going to discuss what is redox reaction, one thing we have to know, that is all oxidation and reduction reactions are complementary to each other. Means only reduction not possible, only oxidation not possible. If one is undergoing oxidation, means another species definitely undergoes reduction. Okay, so that's why all oxidation and reduction reactions are complementary to each other. Means one cannot take place without the other. Without oxidation there is no reduction, without reduction there is no oxidation. Okay, now what is a redox reaction? The simultaneous oxidation and reduction reactions are called redox reactions. Okay, simultaneous oxidation and reduction reaction is called, okay, or the reaction which involve oxidation and reduction are also called as redox reactions. Okay, so here how we are getting this redox reaction? First three letters reduction and first two letters in the oxidation, by combining reduction and oxidation we are getting redox. Okay, because the redox reactions involves both oxidation and reduction. Okay, simultaneous at a time oxidation and reduction reactions are taking place. They are called as redox reactions. Okay, clear? Very important thing this one. Okay, now let us discuss with example. Suppose we have sodium combined with chlorine to form to form sodium chloride. Okay, see here both are in the elemental state, so zero oxidation state, but in this one here they have plus and minus. Yes or no? Here sodium plus 1, chlorine is minus 1. Okay, so in this reaction, see what is happening from here. Okay, so if you observe this one, sodium oxidation state is changed from 0 to plus 1. Means what is happening here? Loss of electrons taking place. Yes or no? And chlorine oxidation state is changing from 0 to minus 1, means decreased. That is what is happening? Gain of electrons taking place. Okay, gain of electrons taking place. Yes or no? So in this one, sodium is undergoing loss of electrons is nothing but oxidation that we discussed. Gain of electrons is nothing but reduction. So in the same reaction, sodium is undergoing oxidation and chlorine is undergoing reduction. Okay, so this is a redox reaction. Clear? Next, another example if we take, this is number 1, number 2. Suppose if we consider this reaction, see here, in this reaction what is happening? Zinc from 0 to plus 2. Yes or no? Zinc is going from 0 to plus 2 and copper is going from plus 2 to 0. Yes or no? Okay, so here also what is happening? From zinc to zinc plus 2 means loss of electrons. From copper plus 2 to 0 means oxidation state is decreasing, so that's why gain of electrons. Okay, so that's why it is a redox reaction. Okay, so what is a redox reaction? The reaction which involve both oxidation and reduction simultaneously. Yes or no? Definitely if one electron is lost by something, means that electron is gained by the another species. Yes or no? So here sodium is losing electrons, chlorine is gaining electrons. Here zinc is losing electrons, copper plus 2 is gaining electrons. Okay, and one most important point in this redox reactions is equal to total number of electrons lost is equal to total number of electrons gained. Okay, this is the very important thing we should remember in a redox reaction. Means no electron is created, no electron is destroyed. We are not adding any electrons from the outside, but we are not taking out any electrons from the reaction. What is happening? Total number of electrons lost is definitely equal to total number of electrons gained. Okay, clear? So to understand this one, this redox reactions can be split into two parts. One is the part which involve the loss of electrons, another part is which involve the gain of electrons. They are called as half reaction. Okay, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Okay, so for this reaction that we discuss now, clear this one, redox reaction. Let us see what is oxidation half, reduction half reaction. Now we have considered this reaction just now. So what is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction? Okay, so this is the overall reaction. Oxidation half reaction means the half reaction that involves loss of electrons. Reduction half reaction means half reaction that involves gain of electrons. Okay, see here zinc is involving in loss of electrons. Yes or no? Now we can write this one as zinc to zinc plus 2 electrons. Okay, so now see this is the half reaction which involves loss of electrons. Yes or no? Zinc to zinc plus 2 electrons are released. And reduction half reaction, how can we write? See here copper plus 2 is changing from copper plus 2 to copper. Yes or no? So this we can write copper 2 plus 2 electrons, we get copper. Okay, so see here what is happening. This copper 2 plus is gaining 2 electrons to form copper. Yes or no? So here oxidation state of copper is 0, plus 2 to 0 reduction. Here 0 to plus 2. Yes or no? Oxidation, increase in oxidation state is nothing but oxidation, decrease in oxidation state is nothing but reduction. Okay, so a redox reaction can be split into two parts. One part which involves, they are called as half reactions. Okay, oxidation half reaction means half reaction that involves loss of electrons. Reduction half reaction means half reaction that involves gain of electrons. Okay, clear? So this is about half reaction, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. In the same way we can write for the another reaction which we discussed, that is 2Na plus Cl2 gives 2NaCl. Okay, so in this reaction, so this exists as Na plus Cl minus. So no, ionic solid. Next, here Cl2 0 to minus, here 0 to plus 1. So here this involves loss of electrons and this involves gain of electrons. Okay, here how can we write the half reaction? Oxidation half reaction, first you have to observe which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction in this one. Okay, sodium is from 0 to plus 1, so it is undergoing oxidation, so that's why we can write 2Na okay, so here each sodium atom is losing 1 electron, so we have 2 sodium atoms, so we get 2 electrons. And reduction half reaction, Cl2 plus 2 electrons, you get 2 chloride ions. Okay, so this is the oxidation half reaction for this reaction. and this is the reduction half reaction for this reaction. Okay, first whenever they give the reaction, first assign the oxidation states and then identify which is undergoing oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. Already we clearly discussed how to assign oxidation state in the previous video. Okay, clear? Now when you add this oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction, we get the overall reaction, net reaction. Okay, same here also. If you add these two half reactions, we get this full reaction. This is about redox reactions and oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. In the next lecture, let us discuss what is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. That is also very important. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.